are here to celebrate International Mandela Day 2020. Let's start our day with Gayatri Mantra. Now I would like to request you to join your hands and close your eyes.
Always seems impossible until it is done. This quote comes from Nelson Mandela, who earned the right to speak about perseverance and hard work. The seemingly important is something that you can accomplish. It is easy to set up conditions for the future to take when it happens. Some tasks only seem impossible because you build them that way. Others seems impossible because they are particularly hard other way. The point of challenge is to conquer it and to grow. I repeat my thought. It is always seems impossible until it is done. Thank you.
What's in a name? Now my friends, I request Ritika to tell you about the name Nelson.
Hello, I am Ritika Gupta. Today I will tell you something about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was born on July 18, 1918 in Transkei, Africa. When he was born, his name was Rolihlahla Mandela. He was given the name Nelson in school when he was 7 years old. In his native language, Rolihlahla means pulling the branch of a tree, but more commonly translates as a troublemaker.
Thank you, Ritika, for sharing such an interesting fact. Now I request Kanak Kapoor to come and tell about her views on Mandela Day and its importance.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kanak Kapoor and I study in class 6C. We celebrate Nelson Mandela International Day every year to shine light on the legacy of a man who changed the 20th century and helped shape the 21st. This is a movement for all to renew with the values that inspired Nelson Mandela. Absolute determination, a deep commitment to justice, human rights and fundamental freedoms, a profound belief in equality and dignity of every woman and man, a relentless engagement for dialogue and solidarity across all lines and divisions. Nelson Mandela was a great statesman, a free advocate for equality, the founding father of peace in South Africa. In times of turbulence, Nelson Mandela shows us the power of resisting oppression, of justice over inequality, of dignity over humiliation, of forgiveness over hatred. As the world takes forward the 2030 agenda of sustainable development and strives to overcome new source of adversity, let us recall the lessons of Nelson Mandela's life and the essential humanism that guided him. For to be free is not to cast off one's chain, but to live in the way that respects and enchants in the freedom of others. Thank you and have a nice day.
Do you know about the poem Invictus? It was one of the favorite poems of Mandela. He often recited it in prison on Robben Island. Here comes Aradhya with the poem.
Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. A thought by the man who was and still is remembered as the famous leader of blacks, Nelson Mandela. He regularly recited a poem named Invictus by William Ernest Henley. So the poem goes like this. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever God may be for my unconquerable soul. In this field clutch of circumstances, I have not winced, nor cried aloud. Under the blood running of the chance, my head is bloody, but unbowed. In this place of wrath and tears, looms but horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
Now we conclude our assembly with the Sanskrit prayer.
प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें। ओम भगवते नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम पितृभ्यां नमः। ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर हो।